Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my pepper plants which I planted 3 months ago. They are producing amazing pepper fruits. Their vibrant colors and sturdy stems are a testament to the garden's resilience. Despite the challenging conditions, I added no fertilizers to the soil, which makes the growth even more remarkable. ITheir growth are amazing, but have been affected by high heat from the sun and lack of water in the soil. The high temperatures caused some leaves to wilt, but the plants have adapted by developing deeper roots to access underground water. This natural response has allowed them to thrive, even if with some slight discoloration. This soil is infected with fusarium disease and has affected some of the pepper plants. The fungal infection has caused serious damage to some plants, but I've taken measures to contain its spread by removing the infected plants and applying organic fungicides. This has helped prevent the disease from spreading to the healthy plants. The remaining plants are doing great. They are producing amazing fruits and some are starting to ripe. I've started harvesting some of the peppers, selling them to my customers. As I tend to the garden, I'm reminded of the importance of nurturing and patience. With proper care and attention, even the most challenging conditions can be overcome, and the rewards are well worth the effort. The thriving pepper plants are a testament to the power of nature and the human spirit. That's all for now, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.